You don't have to have a large space in order to have a garden at your home. With the new modular beds like the one you see here that make it very accessible, you can grow a vegetable garden or ornamentals and very easily, and it can make it so much easier on the back or make it more accessible so that you can work from your waist, right? So not a lot of bending over. You can produce all sorts of different vegetables, ornamentals. These are very easy to find and very easy to put together. These are called modular beds. They usually come in a light metal or a plastic, but you can also build your own beds at varying heights to add different vertical growth layers into your landscape. You can utilize wood or cinder blocks, brick, different things, and then you can either put in irrigation or just work with a garden hose. But you don't need a large area in order to be very productive. This has just about 4 tomato plants and some beautiful marigolds to bring in those pollinators. And what's great about this, again, is that it is very accessible, easy on the back, don't have to bend over too much. You want to select a pretty good raised bed gardening media that you would fill this with. You can utilize a topsoil on the bottom and then to kind of save on costs, and then use a raised bed mix for the rest. But these modular gardens are an excellent option for the landscape. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.